Hi there, I'm Janet Chandler with the Cullman Tribune, and I'm here to read you a bedtime story tonight. Tonight I'm going to read Olivia Helps Mother Nature. "What are you doing?" asked Ian. "I am recycling to help Mother Nature," says Olivia. "The bins are for things we are finished using," Olivia says. "Old glass, paper, and plastic get made into other things." "Cool," Ian answers. "Now, time for Operation Mother Nature," says Olivia. Olivia takes her dad's newspaper. Olivia turns out a light. "Did the power go out?" asks Mom. "Hey!" yells Ian as Olivia turns off a faucet. "Save water!" Olivia cries. Dad finds his paper. "Olivia, recycling is great, but please let me finish reading first." "We are going out for dinner," says Mom. "Please get into the car." "Can we walk?" Olivia asks. "It is better for Mother Nature if we do not use gas." "If we took the car, we would not have seen this beautiful starry sky," says Dad with a smile. At bedtime, Ian wants to keep his light on. He does not like the dark. "But that wastes electricity," cries Olivia. Olivia wants to help. She tries to make a glowing helmet. It does not work. Olivia tells Ian that if he keeps the light off, he can knock on the wall for her if he gets scared. He knocked all night. The next morning, they were very tired. "We need a new idea," Olivia says. "You can say that again," answered Ian. "How about a flashlight?" he asked. "No, that uses up batteries," says Olivia. "I need to think." "Of course! Fireflies!" Olivia cries. "We will let them out in the morning and get new ones tomorrow night," Olivia says. "I can sleep with the light off," says Ian. "I am proud of you for doing so much to save energy," says Dad. "Thanks, Dad. Good night," says Olivia. "And please turn off my light." The end. I hope you get to collect fireflies to sleep by, and just be sure to let them out the next morning. Have a good night and sweet dreams.